Winning the gold medal in Rio was just unbelievable. I still really can't believe it. The gold medal's special to me because of all the ups and downs I've been through. I wasn't going to put all my hopes on getting the gold, but yeah, it turned out pretty good for me, and I couldn't be any happier, and all the hard work has paid off.
Llwyddiant anhygoel Rob yn Rio, mae bywyd o ddydd i ddydd yn heriol I ddweud y lleia.
It's been a tough 10, 11 years now since I had my accident. I got no dexterity in my fingers. I just use like a trick movement to pick things up with my wrist. It makes things difficult, but I'm coping anyway, so I've got tools to help me with some things as well. My teeth are really important because I use my teeth to do everything. Then do things and to do things up, and I'm actually making just my own tea here.
Morning, Rob.
Hey, Guy. Cup of tea?
Yes, please, mate. Milk, 2 sugars.
You know where the kettle is.
Like that, is it?
Mae Guy yn un o'r tîm cynorthwyol sydd yn helpu Rob o ddydd I ddydd.
Is he a nice guy to work with, or?
Oh, he's not too bad. Yeah, he's all right. Get along to me. Just.
The moment I won the gold medal was disbelief. That 4th game that I won, he served it short and it went into the net. He put his bat over his head and leant on the table. That's when it began to sink in that actually I've got a good chance here, and then just had to bring myself back and start focusing on my match and the tactics for that last point. And yeah, an ecstatic moment when I won that. Having never beaten him before, to beat him the way I did in that final was just unbelievable.
Bob bore cyn teithio lawr I Gaerdydd I hyfforddi, mae angen ystwytho, rhan bwysig o amserlen ddyddiol Rob.
You get really tight after being in the chair all day, and
Well, you do it before all your games as well, didn't you? On competitions.
yeah. How many years have you been with me now?
Nearly 10 years now, nearly, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
To be honest, at first, it was a bit of a challenge when I first started working for him, because I'd never done anything like this before. But the chance to get around the world a bit and seeing him winning medals, you know, doesn't get much better than that. He's just got to make the most of it now, isn't he? Old golden boy.
The medal, well, it's pretty heavy. That's the first thing that strikes me, I think. Not so much what it is, I think it's what it stands for more than, and then all the battles, you know, I've been through, and, you know, people are worried about it scratching and denting, but it doesn't bother me too much, you know. I know what I've done to get that medal and the hard work I put in, and that's what counts to me. The most important thing for me is to going into these schools and seeing the kids' faces when you show them that gold medal. It's absolutely, you know, amazing feeling. And hopefully they'll get into sport and it'll encourage them to try and achieve some of their goals. This place is huge to me. Brecon rugby pitches. This is where I played my youth and senior rugby. I had an accident playing rugby, and that's why I'm in the wheelchair. Well, the accident happened in this bull. It was the first 2 minutes of the game or something. It was purely an accident. Some guys went into the scrum, some didn't. Yeah, all the weight of an bull come onto my neck basically and paralysed me, C6, so spinal cord injury. And this left me with limited hand movement, limited arm movement, and I'm paralysed from my chest down. When the injury actually happened, all I felt was like a shiver down my body, and I remember the helicopter was called. It had been cancelled for my brother, who was in a road traffic accident on the way to watching me, and I was able to come to myself then. This consultant came and told me I might not walk again and things, and I had a spinal injury, and I stayed positive. I didn't I thought I was going to walk again, and been trying since, you know, and wasn't to be. I miss the hits, I'm not going to lie, you know. I find it hard coming down here watching the boys playing because I just want to be on there, you know. But on the positive side of it now, and obviously competing in a different sport now. Well, the pros are having a gold medal. Coming back on the plane from Rio, I think we got club class. Yeah, putting your feet up, and had a lot more room than when we were going out there. We were like sheep going out there in the back of the plane, but being fed at the seat and drinks, yeah, it was absolutely amazing. Amazing experience. I'm not sure if I'll see that again, but yeah, it's been an absolutely amazing journey, and that was one of the highlights of it for sure.
Ar ôl cyrraedd Caerdydd, mae Rob yn edrych ymlaen i gwrdd â Neil, ei hyfforddwr, am y tro cynta ers Rio.
Are we all right?
I'm fine, thank you. How have you been doing since Rio? Following his disappointment in London 2012, he announced that he was finishing, and I said to him that if he does reconsider, that there's a gold medal waiting for him in Rio.
You're not going to be making me jump all over the table now, Neil, are you?
No, you know me, Rob. I'll be very kind and give you a...
I'm sure you will do. Not. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Started playing table tennis in the hospital. My nan took me in there, to be honest, because I didn't want to at the start. I called it a bit of a girly sport and wasn't really interested, so it took a bit of persuasion, but they strapped the bat on my hand and with a bandage at the time, which was all they had, and I gave it a go, and yeah, still playing now.
Great. Maybe if I take you side to side? Okay. In all the paraplegic classes, which go from 1 to 10, from the most disabled, which is Rob, up to class 10, which are virtually able-bodied guys, I'd say pound for pound he's probably one of the most skillful players there is. For Rob to get the gold medal in Rio, beating an opponent he'd previously never beaten before, it was an absolutely incredible achievement. His celebration after the game, you could see how much it meant to him. And for me personally, I just felt immensely proud, you know, to see him bring it home. That's very good.
Tidy, thank you, Neil. Tav for coming in. Thank you very much. You know, there's a lot of things to come. I got a wedding to look forward to now in July with Meg, and I think I can safely say now I'm gonna try and go for Paralympics 2020 and go to Tokyo hopefully, and hopefully bring another gold back with any luck. That'd be nice.